Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcbs.com and welcome to my 10x Commission Mission Review. I'm inside the members area of 10x Commission machines, and during this video I'm going to give you a demo of exactly what is inside the members area and how it works. In a nutshell, 10x Commission's machine is an info course giving you a step-by-step guide to how you can set up a powerful affiliate campaign. In fact, the two makers of this product, John Newman and Cynthia Benitez, they worked very hard for this product and they know what they're talking about. So it is quite a phenomenal product. I've just gone through this training again. It's a very good product which tells us a lot about affiliate marketing. And even if you're a newbie with no tech skills, you can just crush it with this. So it is such a good product, and after a long time, I'm seeing a very good info product, especially in the affiliate marketing space. And yeah, even as a newbie or if you're exponential, you can improve your income exponentially if you just follow the steps one by one here, very clear laid out steps here for this particular thing. But only thing is, the biggest problem with the affiliate marketers is the action part. So if you can really take action on these steps, and I'm 100% sure you will skyrocket your income. And if this sounds like something that you're interested in, please click in the link in the description below. The link is going to bring you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And you have to just click on any of these purple buttons here as of 11 a.m. On the 19th September, and you will be directed to the sales page. The sales page is going to look something like this. I don't want you to miss on the bonuses what we have put here for you. And the front end is just going to cost you around $12.95 US. So it is like this. Let us go and have a look at the bonuses what we have in place for you. The bonus number 1 is you're going to get access to Vanquish Pro. So this particular is a complete YouTube and Facebook ad mastery put in by Jono Armstrong. And you will be learning how to create campaigns and so that people opt into your list. So this is the course by Jono Armstrong and his team for Vanquish Pro, which basically teaches you YouTube ads and also the Facebook ads. The next one is you're going to have bonus number 2, that is drive traffic to 10x using Bing. So this is one of the good courses where you can drive traffic from. It's an info course which can give you traffic to this particular affiliate commissions page. So and number 3 is learn how to do prosper in email marketing. So this is a very good course on how to prosper with email marketing, and this is your bonus number 3. And bonus number 4 is you're going to get this is again a launch jacker course by Jono Armstrong. It's a course explaining you about launch jacking, and it also includes the tools required for launch jacking. So this is one of the good courses by again Jono Armstrong put together for this particular 10x commission machine. So these are the 4 bonuses what I'm going to give you, and you got access to the complete set of vendor bonuses, and the vendor has put on a lot of bonuses for you. The bonus number 1 is Multiplizer. Bonus number 2 is Urgency Suits Pro. Bonus number 3 is Boss Secrets. Bonus number 4 is $350 per day sending emails, and bonus number 5 is 0 hour work days. See, all these courses I've gone through, and these are ultimate, very good info courses which will teach you a lot about affiliate marketing. And I feel this course is definitely, and you're going to get all these bonuses 100% free of charge, instantly delivered to you. Even if you just pick up the front end of this particular course, which is going to cost you around $12.95, and it's a no-brainer. It's really a no-brainer because the amount of information and the amount of knowledge you're going to get by these bonuses, and also through the front end of this course, is absolutely amazing, really amazing. So, and you will not make it's not a mistake if I say you buy the front end of this course. Even if you buy the front end, you get 100% of these bonuses free of cost. So to get these bonuses, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, which will bring you to my bonus page, which looks like this, and click on any of these purple buttons, which will take you to my which will take you through to my sales page, and you can pick up and there you can pick up this 10x commissions machine. Once you have done that, you simply have to go into Warrior Plus account. Then once you log in, you click on the on your affiliate button on the right side of the page, and there you're going to that will bring you, which you just have to click. There's a drop down menu. You have to click on your purchases, and it will take you to this purchase page. And when you come to the receipt page here, you're going to have a green button which says access your purchase. Down below is a blue button which says access your affiliate bonus. You just press on this button, and all the bonuses whatever I said are available to you in one go. So let us talk about the prices and about the front end, what these people have offered, John Newman and also Cynthia Benitez. Now the front end is going to cost you around 12.95. Access the powerful 10x commission mission software and training model. Absolutely amazing. This is really true. You're going to access the powerful 10x commission and also the training modules. And option number one, 10x commission mission pro, advanced training where I show you everything that works since I have started marketing in 2014, includes free and paid traffic strategies, and inside the secrets to affiliate marketing game, case studies included. So this is a very good upsell if you're looking at crushing on the game of affiliate marketing. So I think you have to, if you really want to go into this, it's not a it's a good course. Upsell number two is done for you, which costs you around 47 US dollars, and this bonus will get you all the bonus pages every week for 365 days. So this is again a no-brainer for this value, because you're going to get all the done for you bonus pages. You just have to log into the code, and you're going to get the bonus page. So that's it, and for 365 days you're going to get all the bonus pages. So it's a very good value at 47 US. So option number three is 10x commission mission double reseller rights at $67. Again, you can sell 10x commission mission as your own product and keep the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as the previous product, the collector. So comes with guaranteed approval to promote, ideal for newbies. So it's fabulous, I think, because you're getting you can hit two birds with one stone, the collector and as well as this particular mission, and you get to keep all the price points in the upsell and the downsell. So that's this one. And now upsell number four is the next commission machine coaching, which is valued at 197 US, and this is absolute no-brainer. You're going to get a two to three Skype Zoom coaching class with me, and have an email and a Facebook support for a full 1 month, where I will help you with anything regarding the internet marketing. So I think getting a one-to-one coaching call for 197 US is quite a good is quite a good price you can, if you may, because you can ask a lot of doubts and a lot of sessions can be cleared in this particular sessions, and it's going to be an absolute no-brainer at 197 US. So I suggest that all these upsells are quite good for this particular one if you are serious about affiliate marketing and really want to crush it in this space. So that's it, and here are some key benefits that you may be interested in getting. No actual work, you may work with other people to do all the work for you. So a lot of thing how to outsource this work also is being there are some modules here which teaches you how to outsource this work. So new unique software training, 100% newbie friendly and proven profitable over and over, and works in any niche, and works right now, and all the traffic is built in. So it's a good thing for this. And you can come and check these price points at your own time. And about 10x commission mission, the video, there's also a video that's on my bonus page which will explain you the whole thing. You can come at your own time. So let us go to the sales page and have a look at it. Mm. The sales page is the sales page will look something like this. And this is the virtually unknown secrets for 10xing your commissions that make us around 5k in monthly income, monthly inside income. So this is as a side hustle also you can make around 5k monthly. So it is thing. And here is a video which explains you how the whole thing is. No, it explains you the sales video. So all you have to do is click on this button which comes from my bonus page, and you will get you can access this particular one. And these are the proofs of Cynthia Benitez and John Newman. They make around 6,000 US per month. Here you got Cynthia Benitez again making 7,000 US. So again we got John Newman making around no, for different months they have got the incomes here. And these are the testimonials of some of the people who have really used affiliate marketing and crushing it. So we have got this is the desk of this is Cynthia Benitez and John Newman. So this is about the sales page. You can come and have a look at your own time. I don't want to waste any of your time, and I want to take you to the members area and just explain what this members area is all about. See, actually this is the members area looks like this. It starts here. This is a welcome video and the overview of the entire course. The main training is going like this. Quick setup, quick website setup, and here again you got a video explaining about how to set up your this one, and starting a YouTube channel, Aweber account creation, finding a product to promote. So here you got from W Plus how to go to Munchai, and how to have your ClickBank account. So it is these are the affiliate market spaces where you can really get to know about know these how to promote, what to do, and this, and building a 10x bonus page. So this is a very good thing, how to building a 10x bonus page, and then bonus delivery, how to give this. So all these things are very good video courses you have got about the whole thing. So it is really a fabulous course here. Even if you're a total newbie, you can really crush it with affiliate marketing only with this particular course. So conclusion and the next step here, you got this one telling you how to advanced training call, or what to do. This John Newman explaining the whole thing. So that's about this particular review in the members area. This brings me to the end of the review. Thanks for watching it. If you have found this review useful, kindly subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like and the share button. And so this it really means a lot to me.